Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to crop a photo or picture on your Google Photos in your application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to crop a image or picture on your Google Photo? So first of all, I just going to click this image. So you can see, I just need only this photo, a close-up shot of my phone. So just click on this edit option on the bottom, and now you will see our option of suggestion and then crop. Just click on this crop section. Now you can just crop by scrolling this, and you can just use by angle, or you can just adjust the crop directly by this, and this is how you just crop correctly. Otherwise, if you just need to auto, it will be choose the crop section which is stabilized manner, and you can just change the aspect ratio like square or 4:3 and 16:9 and flip to landscape like that. So it's actually about a section of the cropping templates like that. So you can easily free copy it like this, and after copy it, click on the save as a copy, which you can easily copy directly like this up to the font that you just needed. You can just make a free crop, so you can just make a free crop, otherwise it will be do like this. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.